Hi guys, just about see me over this bag here. It's not that big, it's just close to the camera. So I've got a bit of an unboxing to do now. It's LED light panel. If I take it out, it is a good one because it comes in its own case. And the case has got its own handle. So if I open this up, it's got some bubble wrap. It's a little instruction manual. It's quite good. Okay, and what you'll like is how it comes presented, because if you see that, everything's got its own elasticated band. So if I take it out one by one, you can see that. So the first thing is the actual LED panel, which is a 300 light panel. Oh, it's got the diffuser attached. That's magnetic, so that's the lights, and that just clicks on there. That's the back. We've got a luminous style, so that's between the blue lights and the orange lights at 32,000 to 56,000, and half lights come on. That's to check the battery power. You can have it powered directly off the lead from that, and that's off and on, and that's how much intensity there is. So that's that. I've also got two batteries here. These are F550. So that's one battery. If I put that onto there, so another battery. Put that. Oh, it's come on. If I put that battery onto right around, there we go. And there, that is the cable, so you can plug it in and have it powered directly off the cable itself. And there's a charger in here, which is a dual charger. You can plug that in, put both batteries in there, and the lights show you how it's charging. It flashes, and if they're turned on fully, that means it's fully charged. And here we've got a little mount, tripod mount. So if I put this on one side, it's an instruction book. So if I put that into there, I might need my SLR little tripod, you know, the GorillaPod, the one that like an octopus kind of thing. Okay, so throw, catch, throw, yeah. Okay, so I'll show you on that, just to whatever. But yeah, so that, I don't like this because if you loosen that, it just goes all floppy. So it's like, yeah, what's that? But okay, so if you tighten that up a bit there, and if I put that onto, okay, so below is a mount, so you can just screw that onto a light stand or something else similar. So just screw that on there. I won't shine it directly at the camera, I'll shine it at me. But if I put that light, oh, you can see me there. Okay, I think, let's make it a bit, there you go. So if I turn that on, look at that. Make it a bit more light, nice natural light, and that's full power there. And that's less power, so if I, it's quite good power. As you can see there, that's the light with the settings. And on the back here, there's a little button where you can see, okay, so the batteries need charging because there's two lights on. Turn that on again, and then it's between warm light and cold light, and that's quite good there. But it's quite slim, and you could easily pack two of those in there, so I don't think you need to take your chargers with you. But if you put leads in the case, those are quite handy. So if I get rid of that Joby GorillaPod, you can actually get rid of that as well. And if you're using it as a hair light, you could even put it on the floor behind you. So if I kind of like, not that, or just, but yeah, there you go. So that's the LED light, and let's see what you think about that.